Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering the process. Charge everything above 50% so battery diagnostics are reliable. Once done, remove silicone tips or covers and wipe exterior grime using a soft brush. This prevents debris from entering. Use a plastic spudger to gently pry the hinge area and a tri-point screwdriver for the tiny screws. Do this slowly to avoid stripping. Make sure to photograph screw locations and part orientation. As you go, so reassembly is straightforward and mistakes are avoidable. You now inspect internal components. Look for corrosion on battery contacts, detached ribbon cables, or clogged speaker mesh, because those are common failure points. Carefully disconnect the battery connector and test voltage. If below spec, swap in a replacement. When changing the speaker or microphone module, align contacts precisely and avoid stretching flex cables. Clean all contact pads with 90% isopropyl and a soft swab to restore conductivity. If solder reflow is required, proceed only. You finish by reversing disassembly. Reseat ribbon cables and battery connector, torque screws to original tension, and snap the hinge closed while watching for gaps. Once assembled, perform a full test sequence. Pairing, left/right audio balance, microphone input, and a few charge cycles to confirm battery behavior. If pairing fails, run the reset sequence and retry. If symptoms continue, intermittent audio, no charge, or no microphone, stop and consider board-level diagnostics or a professional repair to avoid further damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.